to be powder, we might as well have sunshine.
That's what I say.
Yeah,
Yes.
get the barbecue out and everything. Hey, by the way, we're talking about, you know, if you can stick around for this story, what happened in outer space.
Oh, yes,
today.
the solar storm that happened. Actually, Scott, can you explain it? Because you'll probably do a better job at it than we can.
Yeah, you know, it actually didn't have as big of an impact the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration expected previously, but they thought the flares were going to impact the GPS units and communication satellites, but just a handful of problems were reported in the north and south poles. But the storm will continue through tomorrow. There's a chance it could increase its severity, but this is the location of where that solar flare was. I don't know if we can re-roll this video to show you what happened here. So you're basically looking at the sun. You can see these solar flares, and it's a massive, what they call coronal mass ejection coming from the sun. So you get right here is one right in here, and you'll get an instant bit of energy coming in within minutes to the Earth. But it takes about, here's the flare right in here, it takes about 35 hours for that to reach. So it's traveling at 2.7 million miles per hour, that magnetic field that races towards the Earth. And it depends on the orientation of it if it's going to cause problems. And it must have just shifted at the last minute as it came in. So scientists can predict the speed and when it will occur. The question is the intensity. However, it's all coming from sunspots, and the solar sunspot cycle is 11 years, and we're going to peak out in that next year. So what that means for us is that we are likely to have more of these solar flares occurring. So we could see some northern lights tonight, but it's not a good night for it because of the full moon. But we have a better chance of seeing northern lights and the possibility of some satellite communication disruptions over the next year, a lot more than we've had in the past. So
it looks so small.
it seems so tiny.
It's like the size of the Earth or something, right?
This here is much larger than the size of the Earth. It is absolutely humongous.
Wow.
It's officially humongous.
Humongous.
There you go.
That's a good technical word. Love
There
it.
you go.
Scott, thanks for the
Thanks,
explainer.
Scott.
Appreciate that. Coming up next.